Eritrea, that's a very tricky one because it used to be part of Ethiopia. It's on the northeast side of Africa. Do you have the flag Googled there? Okay. Oh, you do know? Okay. The flag of Eritrea, it has a tree it's sort of gold, it's goldish yellow color. It's on a red background. It also has blue and green in the flag. And as I say, it used to be part of Ethiopia. It has the northern border against the sea. Can I have another one, please? I beg your pardon? Bless you. Tajikistan. Alright, Tajikistan. It's green, white, and red. It has a yellow, almost looks like a candle in the middle, with like an anchor, and it has stars. Do you have it on your phone?
No, but I know it.
Oh, you know it. And and it looks like somebody's juggling stars. It's one of the former Soviet republics. Do you know what the capital is?
No.
Okay, it's Dushanbe. Alright, give me one more. Are you from Taiwan? Oh, well, thank you. Okay, Taiwan it's red and blue with a white sun in the top left corner on a blue background. With the rest of the flag is red. Capital is Taipei, and used to be called Chinese Taipei. And it's one of the island countries on the southeast side of Asia. Give me one more. Sweden. Okay, Sweden's actually, I'm saving for my talk because Sweden's a beautiful flag, and when I see the Sweden and Ukraine flags together, it's lovely because you see a whole lot of yellow and blue. Obviously a yellow cross, not symmetrical, more towards the left-hand side, on a blue background. Capital obviously Stockholm, we're going there tomorrow. And Sweden is the biggest of the Scandinavian countries, in the middle between Norway and Finland. Beautiful country, and looking forward to going there.